going today there, YouTube? Well, I wanted to wish everybody a happy new year before we started our video here, but 3 years ago today, I did a video on my Shelterlogic 10x20 carport, garage in a box, and that's like my second most popular video on YouTube right now, and I kind of wanted to do a third year review. Well, besides the fact the tarp's a little bit dirty looking, it's never moved. Haven't really done a whole heck of a lot with it. Did a few little add-ons here last summer. I do have some dirt up the sides now for the flaps. And I think I used dirt and 2x6s on that side. And besides the fact I got a big mess going on in here right now, the anchors held up very well. Very well. So I did end up accomplishing my goal of getting tractors packed away in here, of course. That's why I bought the carport in the first place. Gives me something to work on them. Oh, I do got a shop radio now. I put this stone floor in here last summertime. It's about 8 inches thick, and then it covers the whole area, and of course it kind of helps it with the moisture, I find. I do got a little tear here where the little anchors go through. The grommet fell out, but in order to get these tractors out here with the exhaust pipes so high, I gotta roll the door up, and I usually just tie it around this strap up here. But you know, that's not the building's problem. That's my problem for having tall tractors. Now, besides from a couple more little holes here and there, yeah, I had a 2x10 get away on me over there. I've got some well, tarps don't really rust, but I got some rust protection there. But I've kind of used this as my paint shop for the last couple of years too. I painted a truck grill there for somebody and tractor parts, and someone painted some fender flares for a Chev truck over there. So besides some paint on the walls, there hasn't really been a whole lot. Hold on, I'm caught in the tarp string here, boys. Yeah, I got my snowmobile in here. I got the little 145, the 2 tractors. I got that work light my dad gave me. That comes in handy for working in the dark. I got a little power bar up front there just to split the power, so you can have the lights and use a grinder or use a heat gun at the same time. I took the workbench out. I got the slabs in here still. We're gonna have to do some improvement back here. I did a little dirt burn back here. As you can see, the back wall of my carport here moves now because of course the bench is there to support it, so I tried to put a little dirt berm back there to try to hold it up, but it of course sunk, so I'm gonna have to come up with something a little bit better for that. I would definitely purchase this building again. I'm actually thinking about buying a second one, because if I drag another tractor home to restore, it'd definitely be a lot easier with more room than not having 2 tractors in the way all the time. But you know, it comes with time, and maybe the summer or fall time, and if I can grab them for a fair decent price, I'll pick one up, bring it home, and put it beside this one over here on the other side of the fence, closer to the fence side over there. So anyway, if you guys like that little review, and maybe I can get the same amount of views in this video as I did the first one, here's hoping. But anyway, if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.